It's a 1973 Gran Torino I'm working on. I hadn't done too much to it. Put carpet in it, that's about it. For the inside and did stuff to the gauges. I got a dash pad, hadn't put that on yet. Seats look pretty good. Got a headline I gotta put in. That's not in yet. I'll show you the engine. .351 Cleveland. Might have an exhaust leak, I don't know. Kind of sound like it a little bit. But I got some Magnum 500s I hadn't put on yet. These are the wheels that came on it when I bought it. Like it's coming along. I got some thrust mufflers on it and some tips. I don't know. Should be a pretty good ride once we're done with it.